Deep beneath the surface of the Yucatán Peninsula in Mexico lies a secret, a hidden story etched into the very bedrock of our planet. Hidden under layers of rock and sediment is a giant crater, a scar left by a visitor from space, an ancient wound that tells a tale of cosmic violence. This is the Chicxulub crater, named after a nearby town. It is a remnant of an event that changed the course of life on Earth. It stretches for over 110 miles, a silent testament to one of the most catastrophic events in Earth's history. A collision that reshaped the planet's surface and its biological destiny. The discovery of the Chicxulub crater was a slow process, a puzzle pieced together over decades by dedicated scientists. In the 1970s, geophysicists working for a Mexican oil company noticed unusual gravitational anomalies in the region. Anomalies that hinted at something extraordinary beneath the ground. These anomalies suggested the presence of a massive underground structure, a structure that defied conventional geological explanations. However, it wasn't until the 1990s that scientists, led by geologist Walter Alvarez, confirmed that this structure was an impact crater, a revelation that linked the crater to a cataclysmic event. The age of the crater, about 66 million years old, immediately caught the attention of scientists, as it coincided with a pivotal moment in Earth's history. This date coincided with the end of the Cretaceous period, marked by a mass extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs and many other life forms, a turning point that paved the way for the rise of mammals and eventually humans. Could this impact be the culprit behind this global catastrophe? The evidence suggests a resounding yes, linking the Chicxulub impact to one of the most dramatic chapters in the history of life on Earth. The evidence linking the Chicxulub impact to the dinosaur extinction was compelling. Scientists have long debated the cause of the mass extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs, but the discovery of the Chicxulub crater provided a crucial piece of the puzzle. Around the world, geologists found a thin layer of iridium in rock strata dating back to the end of the Cretaceous period. This layer, often referred to as the KT boundary, marks a significant geological and biological transition. Iridium is rare on Earth's surface but abundant in asteroids. The presence of this element in the KT boundary layer suggested a massive extraterrestrial object had collided with Earth. This global iridium layer pointed to an extraterrestrial impact. The widespread distribution of iridium indicated that the impact had far-reaching consequences, affecting the entire planet. Furthermore, the impact crater's location in a shallow sea would have vaporized massive amounts of sulfur-rich rock. This vaporization released sulfur aerosols into the atmosphere. This vaporized rock, injected into the atmosphere, would have blocked sunlight, causing a global impact winter. The reduction in sunlight would have led to a dramatic drop in temperatures, disrupting ecosystems and food chains. The impact winter theory was supported by the presence of shocked quartz and tektites, glassy materials formed under extreme heat and pressure in geological layers from this time. These materials provided concrete evidence of the catastrophic event that reshaped life on Earth. The asteroid that slammed into Earth 66 million years ago was no small pebble. Scientists estimate it was about 6 miles wide, roughly the size of Mount Everest. Its impact released an unimaginable amount of energy, equivalent to billions of atomic bombs detonating simultaneously. The impact sent shockwaves rippling around the globe, triggering earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis of unimaginable scale. Coastal areas thousands of miles from the impact site would have been inundated by towering walls of water. The impact itself was only the beginning of the devastation. The immediate aftermath of the impact was a scene of unimaginable chaos. The intense heat from the impact ignited wildfires that raged across continents, consuming forests and everything in their path. The skies would have been filled with smoke and ash, choking the atmosphere. The impact also released massive amounts of molten rock into the atmosphere. This molten material rained down on Earth as fiery debris, further fueling the inferno. The combination of wildfires, superheated debris, and shockwaves would have killed countless organisms instantly. Section 5. The Long Night. As the fire subsided, the long-term consequences of the impact began to set in. The massive amount of dust and sulfur injected into the atmosphere blocked out the sun, plunging the Earth into a prolonged period of darkness and cold, known as an impact winter. This sudden and drastic climate change had devastating effects on life worldwide. Plants, deprived of sunlight, withered and died. This collapse of the food chain had a domino effect on herbivores, which starved to death, followed by the carnivores that preyed on them. The impact winter lasted for years, possibly decades, pushing global ecosystems to the brink. Section 6. A world transformed. The Chicxulub impact fundamentally altered the course of life on Earth. This cataclysmic event, occurring around 66 million years ago, was a turning point in our planet's history. The extinction event that followed wiped out an estimated 76% of all plant and animal species. This mass extinction reshaped the biological landscape, erasing entire lineages and paving the way for new forms of life to emerge. The dinosaurs, which had ruled the planet for over 180 million years, vanished, along with countless other creatures, from the largest marine reptiles to the smallest plankton. Their sudden disappearance left ecological niches vacant, allowing mammals and other species to evolve and diversify. The impact also triggered a period of intense global warming. This was not just a brief spike in temperature, but a prolonged period of climatic upheaval. The massive release of carbon dioxide from vaporized rock and burning vegetation created a greenhouse effect, warming the planet for thousands of years. This greenhouse effect drastically altered weather patterns and ocean currents, further transforming the environment. This warming, combined with the widespread destruction of ecosystems, created a world vastly different from the one that existed before the impact. The Earth had to rebuild itself from the ashes, leading to the rise of new species and ecosystems that would shape the future of our planet. Section 7. Life finds a way. Despite the unimaginable devastation, life on Earth proved remarkably resilient. In the aftermath of the Chicxulub impact, a handful of species survived. These survivors, often small and adaptable, inherited a world transformed. Among the survivors were the mammals, who had lived in the shadows of the dinosaurs for millions of years. With their competitors gone, mammals diversified rapidly, evolving into the vast array of species we see today. The Chicxulub impact, while catastrophic, ultimately paved the way for the rise of mammals and the eventual emergence of humans. Section 8. Echoes of extinction. The Chicxulub impact stands as a stark reminder of the power of nature and the fragility of life on Earth. It demonstrates that even the most dominant species can be wiped out in a geological instant by events beyond their control. The study of the Chicxulub impact and its aftermath provides valuable insights into the dynamics of mass extinctions and the long-term consequences of catastrophic events. By understanding the past, we can better prepare for the future, identifying potential threats and developing strategies to mitigate their impact. Section 9. Our fragile planet. The lessons of the Chicxulub impact resonate deeply in the 21st century. As humans continue to alter the planet at an unprecedented rate, we face our own set of environmental challenges, from climate change to biodiversity loss. The story of the dinosaurs and the Chicxulub impact serves as a cautionary tale, reminding us that our planet is not invincible. It underscores the importance of environmental stewardship and the need for collective action to protect the delicate balance of life on Earth. The future of our planet and our own survival depends on the choices we make today.